take a look at the structure of the leaf. Now the outermost part is the cuticle, which prevents water loss. Beneath that is the upper or the lower epidermis. Here you have the vascular bundle, which includes the xylem, responsible for transporting water and minerals, as well as the phloem, which transports organic nutrients like sucrose and amino acids. Here you have the palisade mesophyll, which contains quite a lot of chloroplast, and a spongy mesophyll, which has less chloroplast. And then you have the guard cell. The guard cell also has chloroplast, and its function is to control the size of the stoma. This is the airspace which allows gases to go in and out through the water film into the cells. The leaves are very well adapted for gas exchange. First off, they are broad and flat. This gives them a large surface area for gas exchange. Also, the leaves are very thin, so because of that, diffusion distance of gases can be reduced. And then, there are many air spaces among spongy mesophyll cells, so this allows gases to diffuse freely into and out of the cell. There is also a moist surface on the mesophyll cells. This will allow gases to dissolve into them and then diffuse into the cells. Finally, there are numerous stomata on the surface of the leaf, so this allows gases to go in and out. And the sizes of these stomata is controlled by the guard cells, so the cell or the leaf can control the amount of gases that go in or out according to the needs.